superhero in this. A superhero in this.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Lad Vlogs. So guys, today we are going to give you a small review of this electric scooty Penlink Falcon. So today I'm going to give you a review of this scooty and we are going to power test with Honda Dio. So let's see how badass is this scooty. So let's talk about the designs of this scooty. So it has a very stunning design, as you can see here. It has two indicators here and the main headlight is also here, and it has the side fog lamp is also here. So let's start the indicators and let's see. Oh sorry, indicator is not working. Next you can see a headlight. So you can see LED headlight, and there's a fog lamp here. You can see fog lamps, and they have a disc for this scooty. They have made a disc, so which is I think so far more better, I guess, for braking system. And it has a very wide shock absorb, very lengthy one fork, and it has a logo of here Penlink, and yeah, Falcon. It's written Falcon here. And one more best thing, guys. Okay, so it doesn't have a starting sound. So whenever you on the key, just give the accelerator, the गाड़ी will move. The vehicle will be moving. And it has shows your battery. Come on, yeah. And it has a battery, so where you can see phone is like your scooty is charged or not. It has kilometers. And the best part, it has gears. So I can show you, it has 4 gears. So this is 3, 4, 1. So you start from 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 gears. It has a service button also here. So whenever you feel this is not working, you can press this service button and it will display you everything. And one more, it has the reverse button also. So this one is the reverse button. So when you press this and give the accelerator, it goes reverse. So this is the far more best qualities it has in the electric scooty till now compared to the petrol one. And coming from here, and it doesn't have any silencer here. So this is a safety guard for wheel and shock absorb. See, like for kids and normally if you don't And it has battery here. Okay, there is only battery and motor for this scooty, and no carburetor, nothing, only battery and the motor. And it has same 2 shock absorb for the for the comfort zone, and it has a beautiful tire. So guys, the tire inch is 90-100, and the back tire has drum brakes, and even the back look also is stunning blue. It is a very fine looks they have given, and it looks very good. For my sake, it looks very good. For me, it looks very good. So guys, the mileage of this scooty is 75 km for single charge. So I think so it is far more the best, I guess. And this scooty is much more comfortable and more better in the city area. So in the city area you can go anywhere you want because it gives very good mileage. So guys, and this is the key of this scooty. So I think so this is a little bit bigger one from the normal scooty keys, and it has power buttons also here available, so you can unlock your scooty anytime. I think so this feature is not available in normal scooties. This feature is available only in the electric scooty. I think so this is far more the best, and it has space here, so you can keep your anything, document things, anything. And so guys, so here this is the charging point for your mobile. So you can charge your mobile from this plug here. This is a USB type mobile charger. You can keep your phone here and charge. And guys, there is a lot space here to keep your legs apart here. So this is a very comfortable scooty for you. So guys, I'm going to show you how this scooty starts. So you on the key, and guys, it's on, guys. So it doesn't have any self sound. So you give accelerator and it didn't start. Why? Because I have locked this scooty. So that is the one safety feature of this. So you have to unlock this and it goes. So guys, so now it's time for the power testing. So we're going to do power testing with Honda Dio and Falcon. So let's go to it.
We about to turn it on.
So guys, finally we are in the location. So you can see here, and this is our bike. This is an electric scooty, and this is the petrol. You can see it. So we have tied it. Here, and now we are going to do power testing, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Watch this video till the end, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. More going to come. Let's start the video.
3, 2, 1, go!
Turn it on.
As you can see the clear result of electric scooty and this petrol one. So petrol won this competition, and so the last test we're going to do is electric scooty versus me. So we are going to see who is going to win. Is the machine going to win or human power is going to win this challenge? So let's start the video.
3, 2, 1, go!
So guys, as you saw the clear victory that human power won against this scooty power. So I guess it's fine. It doesn't have much power, but it's fine to move you around here and there and gives a very good mileage. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video by seeing this. And guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and more videos are going to come like this kind of videos. If you want this kind of more, like if you want more videos, power testing more videos, then comment down below and let me know. Until then, tata, bye bye, good night, see you. Khuda Hafiz.